am going to explain about my project Automatic Hydroponic Power Grow Pot using IoT. It includes the components like Node MCU Wi-Fi board, light sensor, rain sensor, soil moisture sensor, fan, water pump motor, sprinkler, power supply 5 volt 2 amps, plywood, wires, plastic beading, greenhouse mat. Now I am going to explain step by step. Firstly, Wi-Fi board is a main part of this project and all other sensors are connected to it. For this Wi-Fi board, if we use it in large scale, local area network is used. If we use it in a small scale, we connect it to a mobile network, that's hotspot. Other than this, we can use AC adapter which is 5 volts 2 amps. The different sensors that are used to measure the environmental parameters. Firstly, soil moisture sensor. The two copper LEDs act as the sensor probes. They are immersed into the specimen soil whose moisture content is under test. The conductivity of the soil depends upon the amount of moisture present in it. With the help of IoT programming, we developed an app called Arduino IoT. We can control the environmental parameters. If the soil moisture content is low, with the help of submerged pump, we supply the water through the pipe to the sprinkler to sprinkle the water throughout the soil by using an app Arduino IoT. Now if we switch on the toggle button, the water supplies throughout the soil. Now the soil moisture content is low. If the soil moisture content is high, the inlet fan is used to bring the soil moisture content to medium level. If the soil moisture content is high, the inlet fan is used to bring the soil content to medium level. By using light sensor, it indicates that it is morning or night. For example, now it is morning and now it is night. Rain sensor indicates that if the rain droplets is present on the panel, it indicates that it is rainy. If it is sunny, it indicates that it is sunny. If the weather is cloudy, it requires some light to grow plants. So to compensate this, we switch on the toggle button of light. So UV lights are on. These are some digital values we get to know from the Arduino IoT embedded system. For example, humidity, temperature, moisture, weather, lightning.